Children, here in this session we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratio of 90 degrees. Okay, suppose I am going to construct a triangle, children. Here example, this is the array, B, and AC is the hypotenuse, here right angle. Okay, I am taking this triangle. Okay, suppose a segment AC of length, we are taken r is making angle, making an acute angle, okay, making an acute angle with this acute angle with which ray, nana? That is AB, with ray AB, and height of C from B is BC, that is BC, height is BC. Is that clear, Nana? Just I prepared this triangle. Next, what I am going to do here, this theta, this angle theta is increases. When it is increases, this AC becomes also, when it is increased like this, it will be moving. When it is moving, what happens, children? From here to here, when I drawn the line, example, here is the height. When it is moving, what happens? See, when it is moving, what happened here? Okay, what happened? Try to understand. This angle is increases, automatically this BC length also increases. When it is increases, and also what happened, this B is moves and nearer to A. It is shifted to A. It is nearer to A. When it is totally gradually up to 90 degrees, what happened, this BC and this BC line and AC line both are coincide, and the distance between AB becomes 0. Is it clear or not? Once again, once see this, Nana. Here triangle ABC, here is the 90 degrees. What I am doing here, example, this is the AC length. I am keeping pen here on the AC. This is the BC. Okay. When this angle is, this theta is increases, see here what happened, it is increases, this AC also, C point also increases, means the distance is increases when it is moves like this. See here what happened, what happened, sir? Okay, see, this BC length is increases, and B point is nearer to, just near forward to the AC, towards AC. It is moving towards AC. When it is moving towards AC like that, C is increases automatically. When this theta is 90 degrees, BC and AC are equal, and the distance between A point and B point is 0. Is it clear? As the angle A increases, angle is increased, this angle is increased, height of point, this point C increases. And also one more thing, sir, and the foot of the perpendicular. The foot of the perpendicular also shifts nearer to A. When it is shifts nearer to A, means like this. Okay, nearer to A, then what happens, sir? The distance between AB becomes lesser and lesser. Is it clear? And also BC is a length is BC length is increase and increase. Okay, increase and increase. At one stage, angle A is equal to 90 degrees. If this A is equal to 90 degrees, then what happens, children? The BC is equal to, is coincide with AC. That's why BC length is equal to AC and AB length is equal to 0. Is it clear? So that if sine theta, already we know that sine theta is equal to, which side by which side, and sine theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Means what done here? Instead of sine theta, when I am taking sine 90 degrees, if it is sine 90 degrees, opposite side to theta is what? Opposite side theta is BC. I am actually hypotenuse is AC, but this BC and AC both are equal. That's why BC by BC, that equal to, answer is 1. Clear? And the same way about cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. So that is equal to, here adjacent side is, what is that adjacent side to the theta? That is AB by hypotenuse is AC. So if cos 90 degrees, this AB is equal to what, such 0 by AC, so that is equal to 0. The same way tan theta, tan theta is equal to opposite side theta by adjacent side. Okay, opposite side to theta is what? That, what is that? AB, BC by AB. So if tan 90 degrees is equal to, okay, tan 90 degrees is equal to, here BC and AB. What about BC and AB? BC means BC only, but AB is 0. So something by 0 is undefined. Is it clear, Nana? The remaining thetas you have to write it. Okay.